Hi students, in the previous lecture video, I taught you how to solve the system of equation by using Python and how to find the differentiation, how to find the integration, everything. So in today's video lecture, I am going to teach you how to find the limit of a function. So before using this function, we want to import the star function. So from SymPy, import star. And in this limit concept, I am going to use the symbols x, y, n, etc. So I am declare the symbol x is equal to symbol x, and I am going to find the limit. So limit and I am going to solve our first problem. So our first problem have some denominator, so denominator. So in the denominator there is a term that is x plus 2. Okay, in numerator there is another term, and that is x square plus 4. So look at this. Our question is x square plus 4 divided by x plus 2, and we want to find the limit x tends to 0. So x tends to 0 means you have to put x comma 0. Okay. So we found the limit, it is 4. And you may think we are having some right hand limit, left hand limit. How could we check this? So for in that case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to find the left hand limit and right hand limit. So I'm opening a new code. Okay. So if I put this as minus, then that will be a left hand limit. I'm naming this as this limit as L, so that you can find this as a left hand limit. Okay. And similarly, and to find the right hand limit, okay, so I just put this as a shift plus, okay, and I just want to find this R and L, so print L, enter, meet, print R. So I am running this code. So 2. So we found that the left hand limit and right hand limit both are same, that is 2. So that only the limit value is 2. Okay. And in the second problem we saw that it is little bit different, that is minus 4. Okay. So for that problem also I am going to do Control C, Control V, and I am going to change this as negative. That's what we have done in the lecture part. Okay. Negative. Yes, right, we found it is 2, and we could check whether we have done it correctly, because the answer is 4, and for that problem we have taken the limit as 2. So if we are put the limit as 2, it is 4. So we have done it correctly. Okay, we'll move to the next problem, rationalization problem. So I'm going to use the same thing like for symbolic function, right? And we want to find limit, like limit of the function. There is a numerator and the denominator, so I am putting a slash. So the denominator will be one term, that is x square. So the denominator part is over. Now the numerator part. So for the numerator part also, I am putting a square bracket. So it is completely denoting the numerator. And in the numerator, there is a 1 minus. And there will be a part in the square root. So I am putting a square bracket for the square root part. And in the square root, so in the square root part also, there will be a square root, because now this is a square root of a particular thing, that is 1 by 2. Okay, and for the term is 1 minus x square, so it is 1 minus of x square. right? This is what our function x, and the limit is 0. And we are not getting the correct value because some over bracket is wrong here. We have to close it that here. So you'll get 0.5. This is what our output in the lecture video. Okay. And the last one is infinite limit. So for the infinite limit, I am going to use infinity. So the variable is changing here, that is n. I am using the new code. Okay, and the value is variable is n. So the symbol is n. Okay, and the same limit concept, and there is a numerator and the denominator with respect to the n. Okay, and in the denominator, open a bracket. So in the bracket, I am going to mention minus 5 star. They have given that is n square. So I am opening another bracket, that is n double star 2. So n square, right? Then plus n square plus 7 star n. So I am putting as it is plus 9. So numerator, I am opening another square bracket, and there is a 2n square. So 2, open a bracket, n square, right, plus 3n plus 5. And here n tends to infinity. So instead of infinity, I am going to put double O. So if I put double O, then that will be as considered as infinity. Okay. So we could say that I am substituting the same value from simpy input star, n is symbol n, and limit the function I have mentioned in the term, first term, and n is the n tends to infinity. So n, instead of infinity, I just put double O. So if I run the code, then I am getting minus 2 by 5, which I got in the lecture video. Hope you understand how to do the limit, right hand limit, left hand limit, infinite limit, and the value of a limit easily can find by using Python. Okay, I'll meet you with the next video lecture with some important concept on differentiation and integration. Thank you.